Hello, welcome back to K1 Tech here. I'm going to talk about how you get read default from your iPhone or iPad or iPod free of charge. The previous video what I have done, I have deleted because my IT guys say I'm not allowed to use the picture from Google, and I have uploaded the picture in the videos to just demonstrate to show how it's work, and he said it's a copyright or whatever, and that reason I have deleted. Now I'm doing this video, same video, better and explain more. Do this video to show you how you can read it crash log or panic log for free of charge. So what you want to do first, let us start. What you want to do first, you need to download this software called 3uTools. I have done it, searched it already here. The first one, don't download for any other places. Go to the www.3uforuniform.com and download it. This is the free of charge software. Is brilliant. You can make a ringtone, read your phone, whatever what you want, back up, restore it, whatever what you want to do. So when you have download this one, install it. That I have done already. Let to run it. Yes. So that is how it looks like. Honestly, it's nothing show here, and it's the top there. Connect your phone, but you can tools, smart flash, on whatever you want to do. But we are going to talk about the panic lock today. So if you, in case your phone or iPad has got the lock screen, you have, when you connect your phone to the computer, it asks you to enter the unlocking pin and trust the device that you have to do it. In that case, I'm using the iPad, and the iPad reset it back to the factory. It means I don't have any lock screen. So you can see as soon as I'm connecting the iPad to the computer, it's recognize it and it's telling me what for iPad it is and how many gig, battery health, and whatever. But we are going to talk about this section there, crash analyse. At this time is a zero time because my iPad is nothing wrong with it. Honestly, it's nothing got a crash or damage or whatever. But if in case your phone or iPad is got randomly turn on and off, you will here get a number 1, 2, 3, depends how many times it's crashed. You get 1, 2. If you go to the details, you will get a line here that's the crash date, time. You have to save the folder. It's a text folder that you have to save it. When you save the folder, it's going to look like that or like that. This is how it looks like, and if you go in there, this is the what is actually is the look like. Is nothing say to me. I'm sure it's nothing say to you either. It's give the people who are able to read it code and tell what is wrong with that one. Honestly, I don't know how to read it, and I don't have a time to sit here and go bit by bit to how to read it. However, I show you how to read this code, what is mean free of charge. What you want to do, go to ChatGPT and copy the code here. So honestly, if I go to that one and select all, copy and go back to the ChatGPT and paste it here, is not going to read it because it's too long. It's too much number and a letter, and if I go here to send it, the message is too long. So what you want to do, delete that one, all of them, click the press button, add photo and files, find the crash text what you save it, and upload it to the ChatGPT. Wait to finish uploading, and you do not need to write anything down, nothing, just the press send and wait the magic happen. So, and you can see here, I check it, the crash log you uploaded for iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 15.2. The key line is the panic show the real problem, and it's tell you exactly what is wrong with it, what's going on, what you have to do, what is the solution, and whatever. This is free of charge, and you can do it at home. You don't need any special skill, nothing. Just follow the instruction, get it your phone, connected to 3uTools, put it in the log, put it in the ChatGPT on let it read it for you. And in this point you can say, okay, I know in that case you see with battery or battery flex issues, charger, it's something to do with the power, and you can call the shops and tell, look, I have done it this one, this is what's coming up, how much will it cost me? And this is the much easier, but I say everybody can do it. It's so easy that you can see yourself. However, I hope this video helped, and it is not copyright, no one can go blame me for that anymore. So I hope this video helped. If you have questions, please go to www.k1techcare.com, and you can see here contact us. Go in this one and send it, get in touch. Honestly, we got different sections for different matter. Send the inquiry. I try my best to help you, and please subscribe to my channel. It's helped me to keep posting video. And please, if you like the video and if you think it's helpful, put a thumb up, much appreciated. Hopefully see you in the next video soon. Take care and talk to you later. Thank you.